This video describes how to import a DWG CAD file that has profile information similar to what we're seeing on screen into a Revit family profile so that it can be extruded out onto wall surfaces as baseboard molding or around doors, and in this case of the visual here, a window trim. So the process is to first open up a new document that's a profile, a Revit family. So we're going to go to File, and we're going to go to New and open a family. And the dialog box will have available to us a profile that is just a generic profile, and it's indicated by the cross-reference lines that we see here. And we're going to go ahead and open that. And our next step is then to import a CAD file. So we're going to go to Insert, Import CAD, and we'll pick the 1979 file, mostly because it's a little larger presence to it, easier to see. And now what we have to do is go through the process of cleaning it up a little bit and positioning it. So I'm going to go ahead and explode this and start deleting away the elements like the dimensions and things that we don't need for this document, because all we're concerned with for profiles is the actual polygon parameter or polygon that defines the shape. So I'm going to just take a minute here to quickly delete the elements that we don't need. I just deleted the fill, that black fill, and I'm getting rid of some of these extension lines, and it looks like we pretty much have it. So now I'm going to move it to a location that will hopefully extrude nicely when we apply it to a sweep. So I want to come in here and I want to rotate this 90 degrees. And once again move it. This is the front surface, and it looks like I'm a little bit off with where I'm touching on the front parameter. So I'm going to bring this way over, and then I'm going to move it back again until it touches here. There we go. So now I think we have something that will work. So right away I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to save this as a profile, as a family profile. And I've already done this before, so I'm going to go ahead and write it over the existing one that I'm calling Dahlstrom 1979. And it's just asking me if I want to replace it. And then to show you how this works on a window, I'm going to go ahead and load this into a project, which is a window that we've created. And we're going to overwrite that. And I'm going to go to a 3D view here. And now we have, I'm going to go ahead and edit this existing sweep. And this is not the profile that we were just working on. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and select that profile. And this is a profile along a sweep. And instead of it being the 1731 one now, I'm going to change it to the 1979 and complete that off. And there we have our new extrusion on that. So that's so once you apply a series of profiles to any existing window casing, you can then go back to them and globally change the profile and then re-import that family element if it's a window family element. So that's a general overview of how to get a DWG file into a profile and then attach to a window.